Hello, today I'm in Hyundai Tucson. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable cruise control. In the beginning, let's take a look on the right side of the steering wheel, and now simply press this button to enable cruise control. You can see that cruise control is enabled by this green icon right here. Now accelerate to desired speed, and now press set button. So tilt this button downwards. Now you can let the acceleration pedal go. To increase the speed, press res plus button. To decrease it, press set minus button. To disable cruise control, press this button. And the green icon is disabled. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.